Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the tablet. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the tablet. Before you begin, remove the battery cover, rear plate, middle frame, and battery. Removal: remove the thermal shield from the wireless WAN module. Important: make careful note of the placement of the retention tape and routing of the wireless LAN antenna cables for later replacement. Disconnect the display panel ribbon cable from its connector on the system board. Disconnect the wireless LAN antenna cables from the connectors on the system board. Caution: use care when disconnecting the wireless LAN antenna cables from the system board. A damaged cable or connector can degrade tablet performance. Remove the wireless LAN antenna cables from the routing channel and retention tape on the display panel assembly. Important: make careful note of the placement of the wireless LAN antenna transceivers for later replacement. Carefully peel back the metallic tape that secures the wireless LAN antenna transceivers to the display panel assembly. Using a non-conductive flat-bladed tool, remove the wireless LAN antenna transceivers from the display panel assembly. Replacement: caution: use care when handling and installing the new antennas. Accidental bending of the antenna elements will detune the antennas and degrade tablet performance. Place the wireless LAN antenna transceivers into position on the display panel assembly. Carefully adhere the metallic tape that secures the wireless LAN antenna transceivers to the display panel assembly. Route the wireless LAN antenna cables through the routing channel and retention tape on the display panel assembly. Reconnect the wireless LAN antenna cables to the system board. Caution: use care when connecting the wireless LAN antenna cables to the system board. A damaged cable or connector can degrade tablet performance. Connect the display panel ribbon cable onto its connector on the system board. Reapply the thermal shield to the wireless WAN module.